Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. It's a rainbow, it's a rainbow, a beautiful rainbow in the sky. It's a rainbow, it's a rainbow, a beautiful rainbow in the sky. I see colors everywhere, I see colors everywhere, I see colors everywhere. What colors do you see?
Red and blue.
Red, red, hello red, blue, blue, hello blue, red, red, goodbye red, see you later blue.
Yellow and green.
Yellow, yellow, hello yellow, green, green, hello green, yellow, yellow, goodbye yellow, see you later green.
Orange and pink.
Orange, orange, hello orange, pink, pink, hello pink.
I love summer.
Hi everybody! The main topic of this month is I love summer. Our children are learning new words for physical activities like running, swimming, sliding. This learning process is through play and song. But of course, they are learning all new words for daily actions like eating, drinking, playing and washing. Every morning, we start with activity called circle time. It's entertaining form of motivation for main educational activity of the day.
On the swings, sliding down the slide, playing in the park. I love summer.
Everybody sit down, sit down, sit down. Everybody sit down, it's circle time. Here. Okay, we are gonna sing for good mornings, okay? Clap your hands, clap your knees. Good morning, Natalka. Good morning, Taborka. Good morning, Barbosa. Good morning, Simonko. There, okay. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, touch your nose. Teddy bear, point to your toes. Teddy bear. To boli krásný. No to bolo naozaj pekné. Pekne zaspievame si ešte našich 5 kačičiek. Pamätáte si to, ako som to spievala? Mother duck said quack, 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 and only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and only 3 little.
Kto má domček s číslom 1? Nech sa páči. Kto má domček s číslom 2?
Ja!
Adamko, nech sa páči. Kto má domček s číslom?
Ja!
Koľko? Aké to je číslo?
3.
Vynikajúco, to je tvoj domček.
A Jakubko, aký máš domček?
Aké číslo má tvoj domček?
3.
Áno. Jakub.
High in the sky, fly, fly, fly.
Kývame mobilovi.
There's an orange butterfly high in the sky, fly, fly, fly.
Yellow, green,
A ukazujte.
yellow, yellow, yellow.
Hello, pink, orange, orange, and white, orange, see you.
Red. Ukážme. Orange. A yellow.
Yellow,
Green.
green,
Blue. Purple. Pink.
pink.
Well done. Okay. Let's hear.
Ten kalendár.
Na čo? Ošade.
A Simonko, my chceme začať. Ty si tiež pekný zajko. Poď k nám, poď tu. Hešt, hešt, a ty za ním bež, bež, bež zajačík, hešt, hešt, a ty bielý dom. On zamieška lezie v lese, jablčka si domov nesie. Nepočujem deti v lese. Hajú, ježka všade hľadajú, lezie. Which one? Yeah, well done. Give it back. Thank you. Yeah, well done. Give it back. Give it back. Spravila skok. 2, 3. A už jej nebolo. Konečne vzdychol s úľavou Kulifaj a zývol. A pozorne sa rozhliadol. Čo to tu je na